I'm going to show you how to search for images in Cricut Design Space. I'm doing this video today because in March of 2020, Cricut updated their search feature, so I wanted to make sure you have the latest and greatest information. So let's click on images, and you're going to start off here, and it's going to give you different categories that you can search for. So if you want to see what's free this week, you can click here and go right there. Or if you're looking for different holidays and occasions or themes, here's what's trending, cards and causes. Or if you just need some basic shapes, you can go there. I like to see what's going on for free. So here are the free images, and you can see up here it's telling me I'm under category free this week. Now if I clicked on that, I come back to the start, I can browse all images. Once I'm in all images, I can still see the A to know if that is available through Cricut Access. I can also click here to just see images available in Access. I can look at type, cards, phrases, 3D projects. If you're very into the new 3D projects out there, you can just filter to those. There's some other categories here, like telling you this one is a cut only. These are draw only. So that's kind of nice because now you don't have to pick an image and then go, oh, it's a drawn image. It'll tell you right there. Here's an interesting one, image complexity. So if you're new and you just want to start with something simple, there you go. But if you need a challenge, you can move up to some of these that, yep, that looks more challenging. Or what if you're looking for a project that only has one single layer? There you go. If you want something multicolored and several layers, this is where you can filter to see just the images you've uploaded, or you can also filter here to just see what's free. Brand. This is an area I like because I am a Disney fan. So I like to just see my Disney images. So now it's just going to show me Disney stuff so that I can stay more focused. Material. If you're looking for a project that's just for the infusible ink, here's a great way to find that. And then if you're looking for things in different languages, you can go here. So I hope that helps you to find more images in Cricut Design Space and use the new filter. Also, if we click on this image, you'll see that this image is part of an image set. These used to be called cartridges, but I think that confused people because we don't have physical cartridges anymore. So now they're called image sets. So now I can click on that and see all of the images in that set. And if I go back here, if I wanted to see images in specific sets like of animal, let's see if we can get that way. So I could go and view this image set, which is called Easter Rabbit. So they're no longer called cartridges, they're called sets. All right, I hope that helped you with the new search feature. Happy crafting.